Good morning, buddy.
Are you ready for a walk? Are you ready for a walk? Your fur is so soft. You are a happy dog. I have the leash. Hold still, buddy. Let's go outside. It is very sunny. We are walking now. What do you smell? Ooh, ooh, ooh. What do you smell? We must wait here. I love the flowers. This tree is huge.
No chasing, buddy. Oh.
That cloud is fluffy. Wait for the car. Let's cross the road. Oh! The water is dancing. 1, 2, jump. It is so small. We are at the park. We walk. Run, buddy, run. Time for a break. The water is fresh. Drink your water, buddy. Look at the ball. Ball, ball. Go get it! What? Good catch, buddy.
Bring it here.
Is this a good stick? Don't eat the wood. You are a good boy. The air is cool now. Let's explore. The bridge is brown. The water is clear. Quack, quack. The ants are busy. The bird is happy. 1, 2, 3 spots. The shadow is long. I will keep this. Yeah. Woo! What do you find? Ah! He is a tiny man. A small house. The The hedge is straight. Oh, the flag is up. Whoa! Don't step on it. Whew. That bike is shiny. It is for the night. Oh. Wow. Oh.
I love the colors.
Those look yummy. Meow, little cat. Time to go home. Good walk, buddy. I am back. Whoa. My hands are clean. This cookie is sweet. Milk is good. Eat your dinner. I am tired. Sleep tight, buddy. Brush, brush, brush. These are cozy. Good night, world. Sleep time. The moon is pretty. Make a wish. Huh? Oh. Good night, buddy. New day. Oh, day. I love my pet.